friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making air fryer pork bites. So what we need is pork cut into pieces. You can use any kind of boneless pork. This was 1 pound pork roast here. I cut it into pieces. I'm also going to use a little bit of olive oil. This is optional, just makes it more brown and juicy. You can omit the oil if you'd like, it's totally up to you. And seasonings of your choice, I will use salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil to pork. So just drizzle a little bit of oil and then sprinkle it with seasonings. There's salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. And I'm going to toss it to coat evenly with seasoning. And now once you've seasoned it, let's put it in the air fryer basket. And put it in the air fryer basket in a single layer, as best you can. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer and set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's flip the pork so it cooks evenly. Just flip it to the other side. And now put the air fryer basket in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the pork bites. Look at that, they're so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. It looks amazing. Let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. They look so good. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. Let me just cut it so you see that it's fully cooked. Tastes amazing. This meat is so tender, so good, and so easy to make. You will love making it in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other very easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!